Today I'm going to be playing a game called Bomber Friends. I can do single player or multiplayer. I like playing multiplayer and tournaments. Right, so we're gonna be playing. I'll do all of them. So let's start with classic train mode. Training mode, first you're searching for players. Yeah, I've got lots of money, so I have lots of clothes. Oh yeah, okay. Let's do this. Safe. Safe. Still gonna be safe. Okay, so first I have to find a match. So I'll just pull it laugh out loud. Okay, game found. Is it found? Not yet. So let's just wait a little while until they find a match in the tournament to get money. Oh yay, 2 bombs. What this means is I can get more bombs at the time. So yeah. No, I died. So it's only training mode, so I could just restart it. So where? Alright, that. Then I could just go here, get that. Oh shoot, no. I hate when that happens. If you get the ghost thingy, there, game found. Good. So now the tournament lobby is waiting for players. Just wait patient. What you basically do is you kill the people in classic mode. I'll explain the games on each. Please see my Gario videos. I'm going to be making more videos of games and ratings. Yeah. Okay, I got disconnected. My Wi-Fi is going slow here. Oh, come on. I'll do reverse. I like reverse. Well, in classic, you just kill each other, but in reverse, you have to, you get a color. Oh, okay, ready. Tournament lobby. Oh, I'm gonna buy a bomb. I always like 2 bombs. See, look, everyone has their clothes. He probably is a starter. But yeah. So what you have to do in this, you just have to fill in the marks. You'll revive in this. Don't worry if you die. But watch out, because there's going to be lots of people trying to fill up your squares. Oh, he's filling up my squares. Darn it, I died. Don't worry, guys, I revived. It's okay. No, don't you get it? Shield, no! I want a shield. No, I died. They're gonna win me. I'm not that good. Alright, so I only got 7%, that sucks. Took me in last place. Oh yeah, you have, when you want to write like a message not too easy, you have to buy them, so I already bought some of my money. Clothes cost a lot of money in this game. That too, I hate that one. Telling you guys. You see how Have to get those. Have to get those. Dang it, I didn't make it. So what you have to do is just like fill in the squares or you'll lose. Technically, just get his. Let's fill this up. Oh no, they're gonna kill me. I died. Alright, it's fill in. I'm gonna die. No, 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 no. Sucks. I need to kill people. I'm trapped. Taunt. Yeah. Fill in. No! That sucks. He got the most bombs. So technically, once you win, you get all those stars. Whoever has the most at the end wins, technically. Just put laugh out loud, I don't really care. I'm just trying to show you guys how to play this game. Ugh. It's really disappointing, really. Where am I? Oh, okay. No, I'm gonna get this because I don't want any to win. Sometimes there's hackers in this game, so what you really want to do. Like, I love this mode, but it's just too hard. Yeah, I'll give up. Okay. So yeah, this is what the game was all about. Thank you, and bye.